Hi, in this video I will show you how to install the furnace filter. Before you install, you need to know the size and the thickness. So here it's a 16 by 25. It is actually the filter size, and by 1 is 1 inch thick. Make sure the filter you bought fits your system. So let's now open the furnace and put this in. This is the filter's location. Sometimes it's right between the furnace and the ductwork. Sometimes it's inside ductwork. So now we're gonna take this out. So here's the screw. Unscrew it. And now it's loose. So here they have 2 clips just to hold it in place. Take the clip off. So now it can be easily taken out, just like this. You will see that there are a lot of dust. They recommend that you can change that every 3 months, but I think it's after 3 months, it's just too dusty. Probably you better change that every 1 to 2 months. Before you install, one thing you need to figure out. This is the airflow. So which way the air is coming from? In my case, the air is from this ductwork, goes into the furnace and up. So the airflow arrow goes this way. Now I'm gonna put this one into the slot. And then I'll put a screw in. And push these 2 clips under. Now the job is finished. I'll put the cover in. The job is done. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching. Bye.